Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me for another math session. So this is the third part of the same chapter, that is the construction. So let us see with the exercise 13.2. So actually the first question is very simple. That is, draw a circle of radius 5 centimeter. So what you have to do? You have to take 5 centimeter, you know the compass. So just take the scale, and this one point you will keep over here. Suppose this is 5 centimeter over here. So you will keep the one point of this compass over here and the other on the 5, and you will take this one, and then you will consider this as the center, and you will draw a circle. And you can also mark this as anything. You can put A, B or something and put here 5 centimeter. So this is very simple. Now in the next say, they said that draw a circle of diameter 7 centimeter. So first thing what we have to see, that diameter is nothing but twice of the radius. So diameter is 7, but below this diameter I wrote 7, and this is, we want the radius of it first. So here is 2 and this both same. So what will you do? 7, this 2 will go in the denominator, that will be 7 by 2 is r. So when you divide 7 by 2, 2 3s are 6, and this is 1, and you will put here 0, means it is going to be 3.5. So the radius is 3.5. So once you get the radius 3.5, you will again take the scale. You will see where the 3.5 is. So in between 3 and 4. So that will be 3.5. Then you will keep the compass point over here and the other point over here, and you are going to draw a circle of 3.5. So with the same center x, draw two circles of radii, that is 3 centimeter and 6.5 centimeter. So now you are going to take, again you are going to take in the compass first the 3 centimeter. This is the compass one, and you are going to put, suppose this is a scale of here 3 centimeter. So you will put one point over here and the other point over here, and first thing you will draw a circle of 3 centimeter. Taking this point, you will put this point over here and draw a circle, and again taking the same point, the same center point is they are calling as, this is x, we'll call it as the x. You will take the, again you will take on the scale, you are going to take the 6.5 centimeter, that will be 6.5 will be in between 6 and 7. So along with the compass, again you are going to put over here. Again you are going to consider the center as same. This is same center x, and then you are going to draw the second circle. This is of 6.5 centimeter. The construct a circle with center A and radius 4.5 centimeter. Draw any of its chord. So I'll tell you what is chord later. Construct the perpendicular bisector of the chord. So here, whenever you draw a circle, whatever this passes through this one, this is the diameter. It can pass from anywhere. So this is called the diameter. And this chord, this is the center. It doesn't pass to the center. It can be anywhere, but it doesn't pass to the center. That is called a chord. So now first thing, what are we going to do? That is, you have to stress the compass on a ruler. That is, this is the ruler, and you have to put it on the ruler. And you will take the radius as 4.5 centimeter. So that the two arms are, that is 4.5 centimeter. And you are going to draw a circle first. Then what are you going to do? Mark a point. We will mark this point as, this will be O. This will be the center. So now you will mark a point where we want this is the center of the circle. Then you are going to place the needle on O, this one, and draw this, once you draw the circle. So what are you going to do? You are going to draw any, I draw this is the chord, and I named it as X and Y. So what will you do after that? That will mix it X1, then taking X and Y as the center. So you will take, first you will keep your compass over here. So this compass point is over here, and the other point you are going to draw this one. And again, what are you going to do? But how are you going to do? Taking X and Y as center, mark arcs and intersect each other at points A and B. So from here, you will take randomly, you will put an arc over here. Again, you will put your compass over here, and you are going to put the next arc over here. And can you see this? Wherever these two arcs join, you have to just put a point over here. So whenever you are joining it, so can you see here? This is the B point. So you can put any this one. Just I put here A and B. So what is it? Construct the perpendicular bisector of this. This is the perpendicular, this is the chord, and this over, that is the perpendicular. Can you see this will be 90 degrees? When we say perpendicular bisector, we are going to see of the chord. So this chord, you can put it anywhere. I just put it over here. It can be anyways, but it should not pass to the center. It can be like this also. So joint AB to construct a perpendicular. So you can also look at the steps. So next one says that to draw the given angles using a protractor. Then bisect the angles using a ruler and a compass. So we have to see for 50 degree. So now first thing what I'm going to do with the help of a protractor, draw AB. This is BAC. So now see here, this is the first we'll draw a line. So now here you will you know the protractor is here. So you're going to see 50 will be, see here, this will be 90 degree of your protractor. And here this side will be less than 50 and this is going to be less than less than 90, and this is going to be more than 90 on this side of your protractor. So now we are going to do 50 will be somewhere, this is just a rough one, you can just see on your protractor. So this one you will just keep your protractor point over here. This is the protractor. Okay, the point is going to be here and here will be somewhere 50. So you're going to first you're going to draw this line and then you just put like this and then you're going to join this and this. The point is going to be here somewhere. This will be 50 degrees. So this you're going to mark this angle, whatever we got, that is 50 degree. That is what? That is BAC. That is 50 degree. So now what we will do, this next step, what are we doing? They said they bisect the angles using a ruler and a compass. So they will take this point as A as center and you will take any convenient radius and you are going to draw this small arc over here where it is cutting AB and AC. Okay, and you can just put, after putting a small arc over here, you can just name it anything. I just name this as P and Q. So with center, first we will take this center P and you are going to, and we will take the radius more than half of PQ. Now see here, this is half of PQ. You will take more than half from P and you are going to draw from here. You will take this as center and this will be with the help of the protractor and you are going to draw one arc. Again, you are not going to change the this one and you will put your that compass on this one. You are not going to change the measurement of it. The same thing what you took from P and you are going to draw another arc over here. So now see here, this is the arc. So you are going to again put a point over here and you are going to join this one and put a line. So what did we say? With center P and radius more than PQ, that is same thing. Draw an arc and then with center or something what we did, draw another arc cutting the previously drawn at A. So what are you going to do here? Then that says that this is, you can say this as S, we can put something as S and this one. So what is that? SA and produce it at to any point R. So that is the, whatever we say, one point is fixed and other is like this, that is called the ray. So ray AR bisects angle ABC. Can you see this ray? Because this is a fixed point and this, you can see an arrow over here. That means it says that is a ray. So we say this is the ray AR. So next one, same here. Now we are going to, that we saw for 50 degree and this is for 70 degree. So now draw a ray OA. So first thing, this one, the ray, why we say ray again? There is a point over here and this is the arrow over here. So we say OA. It can be anything, you can name it as anything. I just put it as OA. Then with the help of a protractor, construct an angle AOB. So now see this, you have to construct this angle. And that should be 70 degrees. So this should be 70 degree. So with center O, you will take a center O and then you will take a convenient, any radius you will take and you will draw an arc. And you can name this as anything. I put here P and Q. So now that will be what? So you see, draw an arc cutting sides O and OB at P and Q respectively. So what are you going to do? You will take the P as center and you will take, see, we are going to think of this one. So this is the center of it. But from P, you are going to take more than half. You will take more than half the distance with the help of a compass and you are going to draw an arc over here. Then again, that same distance, whatever you are taken from P, you will take from here Q and you are going to draw another arc over here. And you are going to see here, whenever you draw this one, when both of them intersect, you just put a point over here so that whatever you draw a line, it should be a perfect one. So with center P and radius more than half PQ, draw an arc. With center Q, same thing, whatever you give, and the same radius as in previous step, draw another arc intersecting the arc. drawn in the previous step at R. And you have to joint OR and produce it to form a ray OX. And this one, the angle AOX and BOX so form are equal. Can you see here? AOX, this one, whatever you get, this angle, this is the bisector. When you say so, that will be definitely 70 divided by 2, that is going to be 35. And you can measure this one, whatever you get, this should be 35 and this also should be 35. So we have to just bisect it. Next one here, we have to look for 130 degrees. So now look here, you are going to draw a line and you will take a protector. Protector, as I said, that this is 90 degree. So here this side will be less than 90 degree. This is going to be more than 90 degree because now 130 is more than 90 degrees. So you're definitely this angle is going to be here. So you take a protector, keep the point over here. This is your protector. So put a point over here and then you're going to see where that 130 is. And there you're going to put a point and then you will draw a line. So see here, make an angle of 130 by using a protector. Take B as center, you will take B as center and draw an arc which intersects BC and B at E and D. So you will just draw an arc, this one. You will take this one. First you will draw a protector with this line. Then you will draw this one and this arc. And now see here, whenever we will consider this E and D. So this is the we'll consider more than half of it. This is this one half part of it, and for E we are going to take more than somewhere here. So we'll take the compass and then we'll keep your compass on this E and you are going to draw the first arc. Then the same distance whatever you took from E, that you will keep your compass over here and you are going to draw an arc over here and then you are going to draw a line over here. So that is the bisector. So now draw a line BC which passes to F. Thus ray BG is the required bisector of this will be the half. So this will be, and you can measure it with your protector and see this whole part is going to be was already taken with your protector, that is 130. But when you take this one, it should be half of that 130 is going to be 65. This should be 65 and this should be 65. So we can check with your protector. Now what are you going to do for 75 degrees? So 75 means you are going to draw one line over here. That is, we can say also segment of this one, the ray here. And it should be 75 means the bisector should be 37.5. So now look at here. First you are going to take a protector and as I said again, this one is 90 degree, right? So here it should be somewhere on this side 75 of your protector. So see here. So with the help of protector, first thing you are going to see here the 75 degree and draw this line. And you will draw an arc over here and write here 75 degree. Then what are you going to do? When you draw an arc, you are just going to name this one. I name this as PQ. And now what are you going to do? When you name this as PQ, you will take from here, from P and Q, more than half. More than half means this is half. You will take the more than half distance on your compass and you are going to draw first arc over here. Then again the same distance whatever you took from P, that you are not going to change your compass, and you from your Q you are going to draw another arc over here and then you are going to join, and you can just this naming you can give it according to you. So when you measure, because this is a bisector, so 75 divided by 2 means that comes out to be 37.5. So when you measure this angle it should be 37.5. And again, whenever we measure this angle, it should be 37.5. This is called the bisector. Bisector means you are dividing the angle into two equal parts. So this is the explanation you can see, because you have to write in steps of construction, or in construction the steps also. So you can just look at these steps. The same thing whatever has been explained, they are given in steps. So with the help of a ruler and compasses, construct angles of 45 degree and 120 degrees. So first thing, let us look for 45 degree. So now again here, what did I do? I did in this way. You can also draw like this, as you wish. So now this is the ray. This is AB. You can name it as anything. Any other name you can give it here. I just gave AB. With the center B, you will take the center, draw an arc. So what are you going to do? From here, you are going to draw this one arc like this. And then you are going to name this as, so draw an arc that meets AB. So that is meeting AB at this point C. You are going to draw an arc. And then take C as center. And with same radius, mark two small arcs. You will take this one, whatever you took the C as center, that equal this one you are going to see here, mark two small arcs D and E, here one arc and here one. So now you will do take D and E as center, and with same radius draw two arcs that meet each other at point G. So here it is going to meet here from point this one, that is going to meet at this point G. So join point B and G such that angle ABG is equal to 90 degree. So this should be G. Hope you got this one. Just look at the steps and you can draw over here. So the draw the angle bisector. Here we can make it this one. Yeah. So we can extend this one to this. We can keep it as H over here. We can make it to H over here, and you are going to here we can put as G. Here we will put this as G where it is meeting. Okay, and from here you are going to bisect it. So with this let us write as G. So look at the steps. Draw the angle bisector BH of angle ABG such that angle ABH is equal to 45, because when you bisect this one, this is whole thing is 90 degree. So when you bisect means this should be 45 and this also should be 45. So you can look at the steps and then accordingly you can do for angle 45 degree. So now let us look for the angle 120 degree, and angle 120 degree means definitely it will be more than 90 degree. So it will go on the other side, like this is 90 degrees, so it will go on this side. So this is 120 degrees. So you're going to draw this BC, and with the help of protractor, what will you do? You will take 120 degree with the BS center, draw an arc of another convenient radius. So you will draw this and this arc, and at point P, this P, and so with point P as center, draw a second arc. So you will take this one, this P as center, you will draw one second arc, this one, and of the same radius as in step 2, and cutting the previous arc at, this is going to be at, this is Q, and with Q as center, draw another arc of the same radius. Whatever you took from here to here, again what you are going to do, the same distance you are going to cut from, you will take that compass from this point and you are going to cut it over here. So that is going to be the point R. So already this line is there, this is going to cut, this is going to the point R. So here this is done, and join points BR to make BA. So can you see this line, you are going to join it to make it to line BA. So we get angle ABC is equal to 120, and when you measure this angle, that means you can get it to 120 degree. Roughly you can do it with the help of this protractor. See that you can just do it with the help of this protractor, and later on when you will follow these steps, you will get this angle as 120 degrees. So this is with the help of protractor. This is a rough diagram, and then you can do it, and then you are going to join this line, that is AB. So by this way we have completed today's session. So please do like and subscribe to this channel so you get a notification of the other parts of this chapter and many more. Thank you.